Hey guys, what is up? Rand Info here, 4992, and today I want to show you guys this really cool app that I've been working on for Android called Internet Over Text. Now, the way that this works is that you can receive data from the internet without actually being connected to the internet. I'm not going to be going over the technical details and how this works in this video. If you guys are curious about how this works, how I did this, there's a pretty in-depth technical overview of the process on my blog at elfinator.net. A link will be provided in the description to where you can go find the blog post if you're not there already. So anyways, let me go ahead and start out by showing you guys I'm not connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, as you can see here, and I'll also go ahead and go here to Google Chrome and try to connect. It says you are offline, no connection whatsoever. So next, I'll go ahead and show you guys the app. So here it is. Insert instructions here is just a placeholder. I don't know if that's gonna remain there or if I'm gonna take that out at some point. But anyways, so here's the app. Swipe in from the left, and it gives you three categories so far: weather, tides and currents, and audio. Currently the only section in weather is the current section, but I'll go ahead and start with that. So the way this works, type in a zip code. This is a California zip code. We'll hit done and then go, and momentarily we'll receive a text message. There we go, text message received. We'll go ahead and open that up and click on the link, open URL, and here is a little bit of information about the current weather for this location. So this is California. Like I said, the temperature is 60 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 15 degrees Celsius, which is 288.59 degrees Kelvin. The sky is currently clear. The wind speed is 2.06 miles per hour. Wind direction is north. Humidity is 63%, and the pressure is 1,018. 1,018. So let me just go ahead and pull up some more zip codes here. I have this zip code generator, so I'll show you guys one more. Current weather, here's one in Oklahoma, 73112. 73112. Done and go. And momentarily we'll receive a text message. There we go. If we open it, here we go. Temperature 42 degrees Fahrenheit, 6 degrees Celsius, 278.94 degrees Kelvin. The sky is clear. Wind speed is 5.7 miles per hour. Wind direction is southwest. Humidity is 8, etc., etc. So yeah, you can type in any zip code and it'll give you the current weather. So hourly weather is then going to give you, I think, the weather for the next couple of hours, and daily weather will give you the weather for any day and time. For the next couple of days in the week. I was getting mixed up with weather and tides and currents. Anyway, so the next section is tides and currents. So the way this works is that you can get information about bodies of water, such as the current water temperature, the current water level, when high and low tide is, etc., etc. And the way that this works, to kind of pick your location, you use a station ID. Similar, it's somewhat similar to zip codes when you're trying to look up the weather, but it uses station IDs. So the station section, this is just a list of every single station ID that currently exists. Now, as you can see, not connected to the internet, but it's still able to display all these. So this is essentially just a HTML file that it's displaying here. Now, this still needs a little bit of work. The jump to area section doesn't really work. Neither does searching or anything like that. But there is, as you can see, every single station. So you just kind of look up your location. So like here's Arkansas, and there's a lot for Arkansas, California, San Francisco Bay, I saw. There's even Honduras. So you pick a body of water, and this number to the left of each of these stations. This is the station ID, so you write that down or whatever, and eventually you'll be able to hit like water info or something like that, and it'll give you the current water temperature, current water level, when high tide is, when low tide is, all that good stuff. And then you can look at the tides for the whole day or the next week or whatever. So yeah, that's kind of how tides and currents are going to work. Incomplete feature, so if you guys don't quite understand how it works, might make a follow-up video if I ever complete it. So yeah, that's tides and currents. The last one I want to go over here is the listen to a song section. Now this is just something that I've been having a little bit of fun with, so it's not very practical, but it does work. Whoops, forgot I need to stay in landscape for the video. So the way this works, you just type in a song and an artist, or an artist and a song. So I'll do Coldplay, my favorite band of all time, has a new song called Amazing Day, so we'll just type that in and we'll hit call me, and I'm just gonna tell you guys what it's doing. So right now it's downloading the video from YouTube. It's going to YouTube, downloading the video, downloaded the video, extracts the audio, and then it converts the audio. Now I was gonna try to tell you in real time as it was doing it, but it didn't really work. Then it's gonna call me. Here we go, I'm receiving a call, and I'll hit answer and it'll play the song over my speaker. So here it is. I'll put it on speaker. So there it is. That was that actually wasn't Amazing Day. Sometimes it gets the song a little bit wrong, but it did play Coldplay, so that's a start. Let me just show you one that will work. So here's Coldplay Paradise. I've tested this one out before, and I'll tell you guys in real time what it's doing. So what it does, well, first I'll tell you, this isn't real time. So it goes to YouTube, searches for whatever you typed in, goes to the first result, downloads that video, extracts the audio, converts the audio, calls your phone, and plays the audio over the phone. So I'll tell you guys in real time as soon as I start what it's doing. So here we go. So it's going to YouTube, it's getting the first video, and now it's downloading it. Downloading the video, blah 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 blah. Still downloading the video, extracting the audio, converting the audio, and now it's calling. So any second now, we'll receive a call. There we go, and it's gonna play Paradise this time. I know for sure. I got it right this time. Here we go. So yeah, the audio quality is really bad. It's not really practical. It's terrible. But it is Paradise. So yeah, enough of that. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole app. So yeah, like I said, not very practical. The listen to a song part is not very practical, but it was kind of just an experimentation thing to see kind of what it sounded like. I do want to experiment with maybe playing an ebook over over phone calls like this. So you could type in the name of a classic ebook and it would go to Project Gutenberg and pretty much pull the ebook, download it, and then play it. And you could choose a chapter to start at, and you could choose like a part in the chapter to start at. So like for an example, if you want to start at chapter 3 2 minutes into the audiobook, then you could do that. So yeah, so it's just kind of an experimentation thing to see kind of what it sounds like and how it works and stuff like that. So anyways, that's the app. It's not going to be available for anybody It's just kind of an experimentation for me. The reason why I'm not going to make it available, in case you're wondering, is because it uses some limited APIs at the moment. It uses the Open Weather API, which I think is limited to like 9,000 requests a day or something like that. So if we get any more requests than that, then I can't use it anymore to develop and work on and experiment with. Not only that, but the web server that is being used and all the like converting audio and all that is running on my local machine, so I don't want to um, like slow down my computer by having this running on it, and I don't want any vulnerabilities to be found or anything like that. So I'm just leaving this closed for now. At some point, I may release the source code to both the app and the web server, but for the time being, it's just going to be kind of closed and stuff like that. But uh, keep checking back at my blog, and I'll see about maybe releasing the source code. It's probably not very well written, but hey, whatever. So, anyways, that is all. Hope you guys enjoyed this little overview, I guess. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks again. Bye.